Yo, what's up gamers, it's Bunk here and welcome back to another video. So TikTok has a new exploit that allows you to upload videos of any length, completely breaking the 1 minute time limit. And today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So TikTok, as we all know, only allows you to upload 1 minute short videos onto their platform. Or does it? Well, under normal circumstances, under normal parameters, of course, it will always limit you to uploading a 59-second video, always saving at least 1 second for the ending clip, in which the user's username will normally flash upon screen. However, a new bug and exploit has been found to allow you to completely circumvent this limit, and allow you to upload videos of any duration. Now, unfortunately, I will not be able to actually put the entire video up on TikTok, not because of time limits, obviously, but because TikTok tends to take these down if they actually do involve a tutorial, and every single other tutorial on TikTok that I've seen has been completely taken down due to community guidelines violations. So, unfortunately, the entire video will only be up on YouTube, and my YouTube is linked in my profile. So that is where you will find the complete and entire tutorial on how to do this. So for this tutorial, you're going to need a computer, a hexadecimal editor, which can be downloaded for free, and something to convert MP4 files into WebM files. So WebM files have this weird quirk where you could actually change what the video thinks its limit is, but still keep the entirety of the original video intact. So basically, the file will think it's 5 seconds long, but it'll just keep going past 5 seconds. We can exploit this to upload videos onto TikTok that go far past the 1 minute limit. So let's get straight to it. Alright, so where we're going to begin is we're actually going to need a file, a video file that you have downloaded. You could either upload this from your computer, or you can actually just get it from your phone, put it to your computer, and then actually use it from there. For example, for today, I actually do have a video I recorded called Talk. As you can see, the video actually has a duration of 2 minutes and 15 seconds, which is beyond the limit of TikTok, but we are going to be using this as an example of how to break it. So first of all, you're going to want to upload it to a free WebM converter. This will allow you to convert MP4 files into WebM files, which is what we're going to need to do for the tutorial to work out. So we're going to upload this and actually convert it, so then I'll get back to you after the conversion is done. So once it is converted, you'll get something like this, talk.webm. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and put it into a hexadecimal editor. What this allows us to do is actually break down the code into hexadecimal values and edit it from there. We're going to take our file and we're just going to drag and drop it into the hexadecimal editor. Now this is where it might get a little bit confusing, so I need you to bear with me here. So whenever we get in here, you're going to want to click on search, find, hex values, and type in 4489. Then search for them. After you find the 4489 values, right, once you find these, you'll see that there are actually 12 digits after this, each grouped into 6 pairs. See, I've actually changed these already so that the tutorial will go smoothly, but actually you will see completely different values behind the 4489 that we're looking for. These values will be in the description, but these are the ones that we want to replace the actual 12-digit values with. You want to copy these and then paste them right here. Now we're basically done. Click on File, Save, and now we actually have to bring this over to TikTok. You might be wondering what that actually did. Well, here's what it did. See, what this actually does is it makes the video think that it's actually 5 seconds long. As you can see, it says 4 seconds here, which is just a rounding from the 5 seconds. But actually, whenever you play the video out, we actually can see the video plays out, and it continues going past that point. That value is what TikTok uses to determine the actual length of the video, and we can use that to actually upload longer videos onto TikTok. So now what you need to do is pull up TikTok, click on upload, find the file within your actual videos, upload it, and once this upload is complete, I'll just do a time lapse real quick. As you can see now, our file is actually done uploading, and it has a video of 2 minutes and 16 seconds. This is fully functional, and it plays throughout the entire video. I'm going to set it to private, post the video just for the sake of effort, and there we go. You can now upload videos that are longer than a minute long onto TikTok. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for the video today. If you actually enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I keep you up to date with all the news on this channel. So if there are any more large exploits found or any kind of drama that goes down, you can come to me. I'll tell you about it. I try to get these videos out as quickly as possible. It's actually quite a lot of work, so I really do appreciate the support you've given me thus far. And it has been Bunk, and I will see you all in the next one.